Have you ever tried talking to a computer? Have you ever tried talking to a computer? Well, for a long time, this was a difficult process. We had to learn special languages, like code, to give instructions. But today, something has changed. Large language models, or LLMs, now allow us to speak to technology using our own words. This shift has created a new and exciting job. It is called prompt engineering. This field is not just for computer scientists. It is for anyone who is curious about how to communicate clearly. It is a new frontier in human-computer interaction, and it is open for you to explore. This new role is important because AI models are powerful, but also complex. They do not think like humans do. They need very clear instructions to give us the best results. The art and science of asking. At its heart, prompt engineering is the skill of crafting effective instructions for an AI. Think of a large language model like an incredibly knowledgeable and fast, but very literal assistant. If you give vague instructions, you will get a vague or unhelpful answer. Prompt engineering is learning how to ask with precision and context, so the AI delivers what you need. It's a dialogue between you and the machine. Your goal? Guide the AI to a useful, accurate, and safe response. This is more than a simple question, it's a structured approach. Provide the AI with a clear role. Example: act as a marketing expert. Give it context. Example: details about a target audience. Show the AI examples. This is called few-shot prompting. Use examples to teach the format you want. That helps the AI nail tone. That sets the desired length. That defines the style. The engineering part matters. It implies building, it implies testing, it implies refining. What does a prompt engineer actually do all day? The work is a blend of creative and analytical tasks. A significant part of the job involves writing and testing prompts. This means spending a lot of time in interfaces like those from OpenAI, Anthropic, Google. You might be trying to get an AI to write Python code, generate marketing copy, or classify customer feedback. You would document each prompt and its result, carefully noting what works and what does not. This creates a library of best practices for your team. Beyond just writing, a prompt engineer's day involves a lot of analysis and collaboration. They might come with a problem. We need our chatbot to be more empathetic. Your job is to translate that into prompts and system instructions. Then you test those prompts rigorously and measure performance against metrics. You must show with data that new prompts beat the old ones. Strong writing and communication are non-negotiable. Inspect bad AI responses and diagnose failures. Was the instruction ambiguous? Was there missing context? That detective work is core to the role. So, how do you become a prompt engineer? The good news is there are many paths. You don't need a specific 4-year degree in prompt engineering. Many people build skills through online courses. Many free guides and video tutorials are available. The most important training is hands-on practice. Use the tools every day. Start with public tools. ChatGPT. Claude. Challenge yourself to build something interesting. Job prospects are growing, but titles can be confusing. You may not see a job posting called prompt engineer. Companies are still figuring out what to call the role. AI specialist, AI content strategist, LLM specialist, generative AI product manager. Any company building AI features needs these skills. Big labs and industries like finance, healthcare, media, and e-commerce. Startups are often a great place to begin. Salaries vary by location, experience, and company. Entry-level US roles, roughly $70K, $110K per year. With experience and a strong portfolio, mid and senior roles reach the mid to high 100Ks or more. Some very senior roles at top AI labs reported 300K plus, usually research-heavy. The market is stabilizing into typical tech salary bands. Primary tools: AI models via web interfaces or APIs, plus standard office software for documentation. In fact, people with diverse backgrounds often make the best prompt engineers: writers, editors, journalists, designers, user experience, data analysis, quality assurance, and even law. The path to making this switch follows a clear, practical flow. We can call it the hook, value, higher path. First, you get hooked on the technology. This means learning the fundamentals. Take a short online course. Read a few key guides. Spend 1 month practicing with AI tools every single day. The goal here is not to become an expert overnight, but to become a confident user of the technology. Next, you need to create value to show what you can do. This means building a small portfolio. It could be 3 simple projects. 1. A set of prompts that turns complex academic text into a simple explanation. 2. A prompt chain that acts as a customer service agent for a fictional company. 3. A comparison of how 2 different AI models respond to the same creative writing task. Document your process and share your work on a blog, LinkedIn, or GitHub. This demonstrates your skills in a tangible way. Start by looking for small freelance jobs or contract work. This helps you get real-world experience and build your resume. Network with people in the field. Share your portfolio and ask for feedback. Then start applying for full-time entry-level roles or internships.